Yo, what's up guys? Local One here and welcome back to Loadout. Right now we're just picking which game type we want to play. I think we're playing Blitz. I'm not sure yet. It says right there, Blitz. So, cue the intro and let's get right into this action.
Crazy ass Mexicans, crazy ass Mexicans, crazy ass Mexicans, crazy ass Mexicans.
God, I hate these fucking hiccups. Oh, I got someone. Somebody got their head chopped off like right away. That was freaking hilarious. Alright, what's Blitz again? I forgot. I think we have to hold down like a fort or something.
New control point activated.
Yep. Right here. Yeah. This is my house. No, don't hurt me. And my arm got chopped off. Fuck. Come on, don't let them take over. Oh, you fucking jackasses. Bitch. Ha, got you. Yeah, heal me. Oh my god, where the fuck did that fool come from? Oh, these hiccups are gonna be the death of me. Take that, fuckers. We got this. Come on, we're almost done. Fuck, I can't even finish a sentence without having to do a hiccup. Oh my god. Did we get... Yep, we got the points. Sweet. Oh my god, I hate these hiccups. Oh god, I can't jump. New control point. Fuck. No, leave me alone. I don't know where it's at, and I fell. Whatever. At least I ditched those fools. Kind of. Yeah. Bitch. Oh my god. Oh shit. There's steps here? Yes, there is. Uh-oh. No, you don't, bitches. Fuck!
The enemy has scored, and the match is now tied.
Fucking jackasses. I hate you all, but not as much as these fucking hiccups. Oh my god. And I'm on fire. Oh my god, these fucking hiccups. Let's see if I can play and hold my breath at the same time. 1, 2. Nope, never mind. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna hold my breath. 1, 2, 3. Fuck!
New control point activated.
I'm gonna try it again. Fuck, man. Oh, I got fucking cut in half. So yeah, if you don't hear me talking that much, that means I'm trying to get rid of these hiccups by holding my breath. I'm taking over this shit. And I'm on fire again. Oh, I made that mistake. Fuck. Oh, cramp. God, these fucking hiccups. Oh, we got this. Yeah. Oh my god. I can't even say yeah. Oh my lord. But yeah, we got it. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Fuck these goddamn hiccups. Oh my bitch. Fuck you. Oh my god, dude. So much shit is going on right here. Oh shit. Get up. Ugh. That's what I'm talking about, bitches. This fucker again. Son of a bitch. This is my house, bitch. Oh god. Yeah. Yeah. Oh god. Oh shit. At least I hit him. Oh man. There we go, bitch. Oh, I killed myself. Fuck! Stupid ass hiccups. Oh my god. Fucking like 20 missiles came at me.
Control point has been captured. 3 captures remain.
3 more captures remaining, guys. Oh wow. You little shit, stop jumping around like a little fucking Mexican jumping. Fuck!
New control point activated.
Oh Lord, help me please. Son of a bitch, dude. Oh man. Fucking
Control point.
bitch. Ha, fucker. Oh, give me that. Of course, right when I'm near the health, I fucking die.
New control point activated.
Oh, Lord. I got you, dumbass. Yeah. Oh. Oh, ran out of bullets. Oh, man. Ah, got you, bitch. Oh. Bitch, better run. Got him. And he got me. And these hiccups are fucking killing me. No, you don't, bitch. Let's go hold it. Fucking idiot. Fuck. 2 more captures and we got this. Oh shit. Fuck. Oh shit. I got you. Let's go, hold it down. Shit. Oh wow. Oh my god, this dude is kicking my ass. Yeah, we won. Fuck. But these hiccups beat me. Fuck. Let's go, dude. Dance. Something. What a dick. But anyways, this is where I'm going to end this gameplay. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys enjoyed hearing me die from these fucking... Oh my god. From these goddamn hiccups. I'm about to go drink some water. Hold my breath or something. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment, share it with a friend. And I'll catch you guys on the next loadout. Local out.
Like on top of me, so everybody just follow me, 'cause we need a little